Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Wise Business Account. Are you looking for a business account that offers low fees, multi-currency support, and seamless global transactions? Wise Business might be the perfect choice for you, but is it really worth it? In this video, we'll break down the pros, cons, and future benefits of Wise Business, so you can decide if it is the right fit for your company or not. And for now, let's get started. Overview. First, let me tell you exactly what is Wise Business. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is known for its low-cost international transfers. The Wise Business account is designed for freelancers, startups, and global businesses that need to manage multiple currencies. You get local bank details in multiple countries, seamless currency exchange, and direct integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. Pros of Wise Business: low and transparent fees. Unlike traditional banks, Wise doesn't charge hidden fees. You pay a small upfront fee for currency conversions and that is it. Multi-currency support. Hold and manage over 50 currencies in one account. Get local account details in the US, UK, Europe, and more, making it easier to receive payments from international clients. Fast international transfers. Send and receive money faster than traditional banks. Most transfers are completed within hours, not days. Business debit card. The Wise Business Debit Card lets you spend in different currencies without crazy conversion fees. Integration with business tools. Wise connects with accounting software, making financial management smooth and hassle-free. Cons of Wise Business: no credit or loans. Wise is not a traditional bank, so you won't find business loans, credit cards, or overdrafts. Limited customer support. Support is mostly online, which can be a drawback if you need urgent help. Not ideal for cash-based businesses. Wise doesn't support cash deposits, so it may not work well for businesses handling physical money frequently. Future benefits of Wise Business. What's next for Wise Business in 2025 and beyond? Here are some exciting updates. Number one, more local bank details. Wise is expanding its banking network, meaning more local accounts in different countries. Number two, better integrations. Expect deeper connections with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. Number three, enhanced security features. Stronger fraud protection and AI-powered security updates are on the way. Who should use Wise Business? Now, who is Wise Business best for? If you are a freelancer, e-commerce seller, or a company dealing with international clients, Wise is a fantastic choice. However, if your business relies on loans, credit, or cash deposits, you might need a more traditional bank alongside Wise for full financial coverage. Conclusion. Now, after all this information, you may ask yourself, is Wise worth it or not? If your business operates internationally and you need low fees, multi-currency support, and fast transactions, then yes, it is worth it. However, if you need business credit or traditional banking features, you might need an alternative. So what do you think about Wise Business? Let me know your opinion down below in the comments. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.